Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more very good information. I'm going to explain what the purpose of the Power Freeze, Turbo Cool, Max Cool, Super Cool, whatever they put on there for your refrigerator. Most of you have no idea what it is and do not know how to use it, okay? What I'm talking about is on all your fridges, you see, we have what's called a Max Cool here, and it doesn't do what you think it does. What it does is, when you push it, okay, and it turns on, it turns the compressor on full go live until it gets down to temperature where it needs to be. Now, it's not going to do that unless it knows it's hot. So, what I mean by that is, let's say I come home from shopping and I got $200, $300, $400 worth of food. Okay, I'm going to do this and I'm going to go back and forth. I'm going to load, I'm going to unload. I'm going to load, I'm going to unload. And this is going to stay open for, you know, maybe 5-10 minutes. Okay, right now I have introduced whatever your room temperature is into your refrigerator. Okay, so now when I close it, okay, bam, the machine is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to figure out, okay, I'm warm, I need to start cooling down again. Okay, well, to get around that is you use the Turbo Cool. You will press the Max Cool, Turbo Freeze, whichever the function is, and then what that does, it automatically turns your compressor on 100% full go live to get it down to temperature as quick as possible. Okay, you don't need to use it a lot, but it is a function on your fridge that you can use properly. It will actually get your fridge from, let's say I was at 55 degrees in there because my house is at 85 degrees and I like sweating a lot, but that's a different story. So we want to make sure that when you use this, okay? Give you a few different examples. Okay, so the Samsung design. It's basically the same thing, but this has Power Cool and Power Freeze. They work the same way. You'll basically load up your fridge, close the door, and then when you know, like I said, you've had it open too long, you will just basically hold it until it lights up, and then it'll automatically turn it on. Freezer the same way. Okay, if I leave the freezer open, or let's say I wake up one morning and my freezer's been open all night, you know, I need to get it back down to temperature, I'll hit the freeze. Okay, so don't use it all the time because it doesn't work all the time. It only works when it senses a certain temperature change in your refrigerator. If it's supposed to be reading 35 degrees, all of a sudden it reads like 50 degrees, it needs to cool down. Now it will do that by itself, saving you money. But what this does is basically turns it up full go live on, and it's not energy efficient anymore. Your compressor is going 100% to get this cool as quick as possible. Okay, so it's an option you can use, but it won't always work because you may not have enough temperature variance in your fridge for it to function. Okay, well, this is Keith. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you folks have a wonderful day. And I'll be back with some more good information later on. Thank you very much.